Bandra Linking Road haul. So you can see I've got like bunch of clothes, accessories, a pair of shoes, etc. So yeah, and also with that, if you haven't watched my Bandra Linking Road tour, so go and watch that now. I will link that video in the description box below or on the I button. Don't forget to check it out, guys, because seriously, like at this time Bandra has got such amazing collection of clothes, bags, accessories and etc. So do not miss that. So with that, let's move on with today's video. I will show you all the pieces that I've got from Bandra Linking Road, and also I will mention all the prices on the screen itself. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with this video. And yeah, before moving on, do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's move on with today's video. So first, let's start with accessories, because I have got a bunch of clothes. I have got only 2-3 accessories in each. So let's start with rings. So the first ring that I've got is this delicate dainty piece that you can see. It has this very pretty star and a crescent moon kind of a shape. Like, it is a dainty jewelry, guys. It is so pretty, and you can also adjust this accordingly. So I really liked it. I got this only for rupees 50. I also got another ring for rupees 50, and that is this one. This is like a triangular pattern in rose gold color, which looks like this, and it looks very pretty, and it is also for rupees 50. Moving on to the next item, I got this pair of glasses. Like you can see, I got this pair of glasses which looks like this. And trust me, guys, it looks so pretty. Like, the golden frame and the clear glasses in this is looking so pretty and like so classy it looks, and it will go with any of your outfits, trust me. And you're just wearing like a simple outfit like a white top and a black jeans, and you just add this on top, and trust me, you will look just bomb with this one, because it will add to your outfit. It is like a statement piece. Like you can see, this has this golden frame with this clear glasses, and it looks so pretty. And I got this only for rupees 150, I guess. This is the second purchase. Moving on, we got these two belts. One is mine and one is my best friend's. So this one is mine. As you can see, this is like a brown color, light brown color, and hers is in this coffee brown color, like a dark brown shade. So her belt is like normal one, like this, which you put in this hole and you tie it around. But mine one is little bit interesting. If you see, it does not have that whole thing over here. It just has this thing, like a buckle thing. You just put it from this side and pull it out from this side, and yeah, that's it. And it looks very classy. It has this silver color ka ring on top. So I really liked it. And both the belts we got for 50 rupees each. Moving on to the next product that we got is shoes. So we got two, like one for my best friend and one for me. So the one we got for her is with her because she wanted it. So here is mine, and this has like a really nice story, guys. He quoted us around 650 or 700 for a single shoes, and guess what, we got two shoes for rupees 600 only, like one for 300 rupees after bargaining for around 10 to 15 minutes. So you can imagine like what kind of bargain over there is possible. Like, you can just totally do a half of the price. Like, he was quoting us around 650 to 700 rupees, and we got this only for rupees 300, which is totally a steal. Because look at this, guys, this shoes is so pretty. Like, you can clearly see I got this white one, and this has this grey color thing and this pattern of bricks, chote wale bricks. It is so pretty, and it is very comfortable as well. Like, it has this block heel wala pattern, which is very thick, and this white lace on top. So you can see guys, this is so pretty. I really liked it. Like जैसे ही मैं वो दुकान पे गई ना, the first thing that I saw was these shoes, and I was like, I have to get this one because it is so pretty. I got this in the size 6. So if you have feet like mine or bigger, you can get any size from there. And also I told you the price as well. It is for 300 rupees each. And what my best friend got is also in that explore tour wala video. If you want, you can watch that as well. She got a black color, plain black color, and it has this tiny polka dot spots on it, which looks very classy. So yeah, I guess we have finished with the accessories part. Let's get on to the main part, which are clothing items. So let's start one by one. So the first thing which we got are these. So first is this lemon yellow top. Like you can see, it is like a shirt top. And look at it guys, it is so pretty. The color is so pretty and so fresh. And it is like a very thin material, like see-through kind of material, semi-transparent. So it is like a semi-transparent material. So if you are not comfortable, you can wear like a inner with it. That is what I wore inside this. And it has this puffy sleeves, like this puffy sleeves. And it also has this big wale, what you called it, kadhai, of like round kadhai thing going on, like a thread work of grey color, green color and orange color on it, which looks very cute. See, and it also has these buttons in the front in golden color. So yeah, this is the first piece which I got, and I got this only for rupees 250, and my best friend got this same as well, but in a different color. Her color is white, like she got this one in white color and I got this in lemon yellow. Moving on with the next top, which is my favorite. So this one, you can see, like it is like a peplum top, or this kind of tops are like really trendy guys these days. And look at the color, like look at the color, yaar. It is in like lavenderish, between lavender, like dark lavender and wine shade, like a middle color it is, and it looks so pretty. And also it has this very nice material, like very soft material, and it also has got this elastic thing like in the middle, so it will cinch your waist perfectly and it will provide you a very nice fit. And then after that it is all loose, like you can see, like all frill thing going on. It has this sleeves which is also this puffy sleeves pattern, and this like a very nice frill at the end. I really liked it. And it also has a bandhan thing, like a tie-up thing at the back, which looks super gorgeous. And I really wanted this kind of color in my wardrobe because I don't own this kind of color till now, but now I have one. And I got this top for around 300 rupees. I know I should have bargained it more. I could have got it for around 250 as well, but this was the first thing which we got from there. So we were like, okay, it's okay if we get this. So yeah, we got this for 300 rupees, but you can definitely bargain and get this for 250 rupees. So yeah, this was the next top. Moving on with the next top which I got is this, which I am wearing, which I am like really excited to show you because it is in the shade like a burnt orange or a like tan color, which is like so pretty. And this top has this ruffle going on in the beginning and on the sleeves as well, which is looking so cute and so pretty. This top is actually off shoulder, but you can also wear it like a boat neck fashion, which I am wearing right now. So in the clip, as you can see guys, that this is looking so pretty. This, and also it has this stretchy material, like a ripped sweater kind of a material, which I really like. And I got this one only for 150 rupees guys. Like, can you imagine this pretty top? Moving on with the next top. This top is what my best friend got for herself, but I wanted to show you all, so she gave it to me to show you. So this is a very pretty top. Like like I am regretting it now because I wanted it too. But it is a bit oversized for me. But it has got this puffy sleeves and it has this elastic at the end which cinches to your arms really nicely and give this puffy sleeves a pattern. And it has got like a straight line where pattern is there with small holes and with a white color. Guys, what you need, it is so pretty, like it looks so good. If you just wear this and like a plain outfit and you accessorize it well, it will look so good, and trust me on that. And also we got this from same shop, like this one, and I will also show you two more. So we got that from same shop and it is also for only rupees 150. So next is this top. Like let me show you both because they are kind of similar, like almost similar. So you can see this one and this one. So I got this in this color, like this is like a teal sort of a color, like a bluish green sort of a color. Very stretchy, like you can see. It is very stretchy, feels very comfortable. So I got this one and my best friend got this one. It is like a blush pink sort of a color. So I really like both the tops. It has both got the same fabric, just the print is different and the color is different. Like it only has this polka dots all over, like the bluish green one, and this blush pink one has this big polka dots with smiley written on it. So this is really nice and feels very comfortable. So yeah, these tops are like basic tops which you can pair it up with your pajamas, or you can also wear it as a casual outfit for college. So this is what the two pieces looks like which we got. Each one is for 150 rupees. Also, if you see guys, like this top which I have gotten in like light wine color, she has got the similar top in different color, like a pink sort of a color. So like literally we can do a twin video together. So the next item which we got are this scarf. So I have got this pink one and she has got this baby blue one. So this light pink color is mine. It has got this red tassels all over, like both the sides. You can see self print of flower on it, which looks very pretty. I really like the color, like a pink and red combination is very nice. So I really liked it and I got this only for rupees 50. And the similar one which my best friend got is this baby blue color. And you can see like it has all Christmas vibes. It has all the Christmas and New Year vibes, and it also has this black tassels in the end, which goes well with the overall scarf thing. So this is also for rupees 50. The next thing that I've got are these innerwears, like these inners that you get, like a spaghetti, which you wear inside your tops, or you can just throw a jacket on top. I can't find like my white color. Yeah, I got it. So I got this in three color: white, black and blue, like basic three colors. I got this and I got all of this for like 100 each. Like next item that I got is this. Like look at the color guys, like look at the color. It is so pretty. Let me show you close up. So you can see it is this powder blue sort of a color, which is very pretty. I was in love with this color when I saw this one. So it is very comfortable, very soft, very lightweighted. I really liked it. I don't know what this fabric is called, but this fabric is really nice on your skin. Like it flows very nicely. You see the length of this one. It is like a crop shirt, which is very nice, and I really like the fabric of this. So I got this one for rupees 200. And also, why would my best friend not take it? So she has also gotten it. Like her material is more thick from what mine is. So it also has white buttons in front, and it is in the shade like dark gray. You can see dark gray and brown ka mixture is there, and it has this flower thing, yellow flower with green. I really liked it as well. It looks good. It is also a crop shirt. This also we got for only rupees 200. Moving on with the last items that I've got are these two pajamas. So first we'll see this one. Look at the color, guys, and look at the print. Ayo, this is so cute. This has these candies all over, like colorful candies, blue, green, yellow, pink, on this baby pink color. Like, this is so pretty. I really liked it. This is so me. This color is so me, and it is a bit like too much. Like, the length is full, but it goes below my legs, so I need to stitch it from like the bottom part of it, and it will be fine. And it also has the tie-up thing in white color, and it is cotton material, that I know. So it is in cotton material, and it feels really nice. It is very pretty. It is very thick if you are looking for PJs to wear in winter. So it is like a very nice pajama to buy. This was only for rupees 150, and I really liked it, how it looks and the color of it, and how it feels. It is very comfortable to wear, so I liked it. Next pajama that I've got is this one. Like, look at the color, guys. Like, I'm so proud of myself that I got some really amazing things this time, because just look at the colors. Like, it is so pretty. It has this popsicle print all over. It is so colorful to wear. So bright and so colorful. I really liked it. And also it has this orange tie-up thing in the front, and it is 3/4 length. It is not full length, it is 3/4, how I like my pajamas to be. So I really liked it, and it is also for rupees 150 only. So yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also please comment down below what is the favorite item of yours from this entire video, like this entire haul. I would really love to know that. And also comment down below if you want some more hauls. I will definitely do it for you. So yeah, I will see you next video. Till then, bye.